Nine-Finger Tactical back with you again. I'm going to try to do the Hornady Critical Defense 380 90 grain FXT shot again at the milk jugs. I have three milk jugs left that aren't broke, so we'll try this again. As you can see, here's the flex tip. Go ahead and try it one more time, see what happens. Get my tripod wet here. As you can see, it went all the way to jug 3. Here's the bullet. I don't think it flattened out quite as much as the Winchester PDX. Let's take a look. And there you have it. Not really a lot of expansion at all. I'm really surprised that this red flex tip stayed in the end piece. Usually when I've done this in the past, that flex tip comes apart. Well, there it just came apart. But not really that great expansion, but good penetration, I guess you could say. And just for comparison, one last time. There's your Winchester PDX on the right, your Hornady Critical Defense 380 on the left. Hope you got something out of this very impromptu and spur of the moment test here. Just remember, some 380 jacketed hollow points will expand if you get the right ones. Thank you and have a nice day.